Now I won't go all the way to the end, but what I'll do now is show you how to row by row on the double crochet. So I'm turning my work so I don't have to let go of my hook or my yarn, and you literally just flick it over from right to left. I'm then going to do a 1 chain, which is your turning chain, like this, just to give you that height to continue across the row. If you think of a brick wall, you need a brick at the end to give you the height to fill in, and this is the same theory. Now I always go into the first stitch. I don't generally use my turning chain as a stitch, so I will go into the first stitch, picking up both parts of the V, yarn over and engaging and pulling it through, bringing them back to hold, yarn over, through 2. And the next one, I'll show you these straight lines here, or semi-straight. If you put your hook in that corner there, it automatically has a natural opening for you to push the hook through and pick up both those V's. If you only pick up one, that's a totally different technique, and it gives a different effect, so you'll get lines. So try and go through both the V's unless the pattern indicates so. So yarn over, engage the yarn, pull it through, bring your stitches back and hold them, yarn over, engage the yarn, pull it through, back. Sorry, I just need a bit more. There we go. So I'm going across that straight line there, into that natural indent, picking up both parts of the V. My yarn is already over because of the way I'm holding it. Bring it through, back on the hook to the thumb grip, hold them, yarn over, through the 2. Now if you can't get to grips with holding the yarn over your index finger on your left hand, then you can hold it like this. So you're actually holding the work, but as long as you can lift the yarn either by using your middle finger to create the length that you need to hook through, I automatically go back to my index finger, bringing it through, over, or you could actually let go. So once you're in, you can go over, pull it through, over, hold the piece again, in, over, and if you were knitting, or knitting style I should say, not knitting, you go into your stitch, yarn comes over, bring it through, these come back, your yarn comes over, and you go through the 2. Now a lot of people get confused at the end. This is a stitch. This is your side of your first stitch that you did, and you go in 1, 2. That is your V. So engaging the yarn. This will keep your edge straight. And there, so now you have 2 rows.